We are going to learn a few properties. Our first property is identitive property of addition. The second property we're going to learn about is the identitive property of multiplication. Thirdly, we will learn the zero property. Our first property is going to be identitive property of addition. The definition is the sum of any number and zero is the number. A few facts are it keeps its identity, and some examples are 0 plus 77 equals 77, 4 plus 0 equals 4, and 13 plus 0 equals 13. Here are a few examples that are not identity property of addition, and they are like 11 plus 0 equals 0, 0 times 9 equals 0, and 82 plus 0 equals 87. Our next property is identity property of multiplication. The definition is the product of one and any number is that number. The facts are multiply by 1 equals that number, and it keeps its identity. A few examples are 1 times 10 equals 10, 3 times 1 equals 3, 7 times 1 equals 7, and 105 times 1 equals 105. Here are a few examples that are not the identity property of multiplication, like 5 plus 1 equals 6, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 8 times 1 equals 9. Our third property is the zero property of multiplication. The definition is the product of 0 in any number is 0. A few facts are any number times 0 is 0, and this only applies to multiplication. A few examples are 89 times 0 equals 0, 0 times 17 equals 0, 0 times 0 equals 0, and 6 times 0 equals 0. A few examples that are not the zero property of multiplication are 5 times 0 equals 5, 2 times 0 equals 2, 0 times 44 equals 44, and 14 times 0 equals 14.